Push Manila Santos.
Push.com. Miss Manila, alright. Miss Manila has her questions.
My question's for the judges. So you guys are you're highly respected and admired in your field, but was there ever a time in your life where whether something got postponed, canceled, or an opportunity that got away, where you felt na you came back with a vengeance, kumbaga nag-grand rest back kayo, whether it be a minor or major thing in your life?
For me siguro maraming opportunities na hindi ko na na-grab. So I guess it's life. I guess it's part of life na may mga bagay-bagay na dumarating sa buhay mo na minsan you just let it pass and then magre-regret ka. So I always take note of it and then always tell yung mga nami-mentor ko at natuturuan ko na always grab every opportunity that comes because you never know kung darating pa ulit yun o hindi na, di ba? So, especially when you're an artist and you're here sa Pilipinas na ang daming gustong, man-notice, gustong pumasok sa industriya. Whatever opportunity that's given to you, grab it, and then pag nakuha mo yung opportunity na yun, make use of it, and milk mo talaga, gawin mo lahat para mailabas mo kung anong kaya na ibigay sa tao. So, yeah.
Thank you, Jeff.
Can the other judges answer also?
Okay. Paano bumalik with a vengeance? Matanda na kasi ako, no? So, I think there have been so many opportunities that I thought were meant for me, but never transpired. And of course, it comes with major disappointment. Parang ikamamatay mo kung di mo makuha, di ba? Pero minsan, I think at this point in my life, what I embrace is, I know that there is a better plan for me from the man above, di ba? That I will just take whatever is for me. At the end of the day, really, I'm thankful and grateful that I have a family, I have a wonderful wife, and children that I love. That's my priority. Everything else is secondary. So, with the vengeance, I don't think of those things anymore. For me, as long as I'm able to do what I do, which is write music and sing them, that's all I care about.
Thank you, Audrey. Miss Manila?
Sa akin naman, quickly lang, siguro just my love for theater. Parang napabayaan ko siya and then the pandemic happened, I did Carousel, tapos sunod-sunod na lahat ng plays. So I think staying true to what I love so much, it helped me just find my space in the world and to just really grow. And I was surrounded by such giving actors. Everyone in the community was just oozing with artistry. Being surrounded by national artists also helped a lot. And just knowing that even kunwari, abroad, people were contributing to the show by that I did, Artists for Artists. They wanted to fund the tickets of the young artists. So alam mo yung artist community pala is more than just a performance, a successful song, a hit song, or a successful sold-out play. It is who we are as a people. We are artists. Filipinos are artists, and there will always be support from every single space in the world because it's bigger than just our own small little dream. So if we work on it together, wow, yun ang resba. Parang, ang laki pala nito. Hindi lang siya about my own career.
Ako naman, I started competing at the age of 16 years old. That was in 1976. And I didn't win all the time. I had a couple of defeats. But to get back on your feet and say, I will not give up and I will compete again, makes you a winner. So always remember that. never give up. It's, ano mo, kanya-kanyang panahon yan. You always say, maybe it's not my time today, tomorrow, what? But never give up. You just have to keep on dreaming and doing what you love to do. And sali kayo ng sali. And TNT, this is what TNT is doing. Diba? It's giving you the opportunity to give back and show that panalo na ako kasi hindi ako natatakot na mag-give up. I'm willing to give it another shot. So that's the most important thing. Never with vengeance. Never. Do it for yourself. Do it because you love it. And again, you're honing your craft. That alone, you are winners already. It's a never-ending journey. And I thank you.
Maraming salamat po sa ating Horados. And thank you once again, Ms. Manila. Alright, last question for today is from Jason Laluna of Certified Kapamilya.
Yes. Good afternoon. So, wala pong perfect, para po kay Sir Jed, wala po kasing perfect na performances. So, paano niyo po binabalance na magbigay ng constructive criticism while encouraging the contestant po?
I think you just have to be honest. Yun lang talaga. You have to be honest, and that's what the contestants deserve to hear. Kasi in the long run, whether you win or you lose, kung ano yung mga nakukuha ninyo na tips and pointers from the Horados, yun ang maiuwi ninyo at ma-apply ninyo sa mga susunod ninyong performances. Totoo yan, there's no perfect performance, but you know one thing siguro that will really make your performance stand out is if you're very authentic to yourself. Hindi ka gumagaya. Maybe you get inspiration, but you get that inspiration and you use that na maging sayo. Maging authentic ka, maging sincere ka sa performance mo, and that's going to make you stand out. Kaya, ayun. I think that's I hope that answered your question. Thank you.
Yes, thank you so much sa ating mga press na nabigyan ng mga napakagandang katanungan sa ating mga hurado at mga rest backers. Siyempre naman, bago natin tapusin ang mga katanungan, one last question po sa ating apat na hurado. Ano ba ang dapat nating abangan na bago sa All-Star Grand Rest Back 2025?
Yes, sabi ko Kuya Jed kanina, pag sinabing tawag na tanghalan, there's always something new. Diba?
Yes, kakaiba ito man ng people. Meron tayong mga house. Parang mga parang may pagka-encantado siya ng hello sa mga Encantadix na nasa live stream. Ako po ang tagapangalaga ng Brillante ng Tubig. Pero sa may mga house, may kampihan, kailangan gumaling ang inyong house at may mga mangyayari along the way. Surprise na lang siguro para exciting, di ba? Pero they have never seen a tawag ng tanghalan like this before.
That's true. Tama yan. And expect the unexpected. And yung sinabi din kanina na the reason why tawag ng tanghalan is here until now is because merong bago lagi every season. And this time, itong resbakan na itong ibang-iba na talaga. So, at ito pa, may mga new Horados tayo.
What?
May new Horados.
Kailan natin sila makikilala?
Soon. A-announce na ba ngayon? Sabihin na natin. Alright, yung unang-una, of course, ang ating concert queen, Ms. Pops Fernandez.
Wow!
And,
Hulaan nyo!
may hula ba kayo? Babae siya, babae.
Yes!
Pero may Asia din siya sa title.
Asia.
Wow.
May Asia sa title.
Asia.
Sino? Lani Misalucha!
Wow! Diba? Pasabog. Dalawang bagong Horados, Ms. Pops Fernandez and Ms. Lani Misalucha. Abangan natin yan.
Naku, pangmalakasan talaga this All-Star Grand Rest Back
True.
2025!
Talagang pasabog, hindi basta-basta, hindi ba?
Ako tayo, Sir Louie, ano pa pong aabangan natin bago sa ating All-Star Grand Rest Back?
Expect the best because TNT, Tawag ng Tanghalan, is a brand. It's a special brand that they've created excellent performers and singers. So, in this coming season, expect the best because you will only get the best from Tawag ng Tanghalan.
Yes! Sir Ogie Alcacid.
Well, nasabi mo na ba na apat yung bahay?
Apat yung bahay.
So, paghahati-hatiin namin kayong lahat, magkakampi-kampihan kayo. Mula sa apat, magiging dalawa. So, meron dalawang bahay na mabubuwag. Sino man yon, nasa sa inyo yun.
Dalawang bahay.
From apat to dalawa.
They have to work together, tapos be competitors. I'm excited.
So parang may mga kakampi kaya sila dito.
Ayun na ang aabangan natin. Ako, thank you so much po sa ating mga hurado.
Salamat po. Mas kinabahan ba kayo, guys? Ready na ba kayo? Excited na? Yes! Alright! Maraming salamat sa ating friends from the press. Maraming salamat po. At syempre gusto rin namin